How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Nvidia display settings not available. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Windows logo, right click on it, and then click on the device manager. From here, this window will show up on which you have to navigate through the display adapters. You want to look for your graphics card, which is going to be the Nvidia. Right click on it, click on uninstall devices, and then after uninstalling the device, click action and click the scan for hardware changes. From there, this will then apply the changes made on the device manager. So just restart your computer from there, enabling the system to simply reinstall the drivers itself. If it did not install automatically, you want to get it from the Nvidia drivers web page. Just open up the Nvidia control panel and see if that works. Well, if not, let's head over to the search icon. From here, search for services, and then you want to search for this Nvidia services. So just press N on your keyboard and you will be able to see this different Nvidia services. We have the display container LS, the Nvidia framework, and the local system container. You just want to make sure that everything is running right here. So just click start, and the last one is going to be start. And you can also make sure to set everything to automatic, making sure that the Nvidia services will automatically run after opening up your computer. So after making those changes, this will then fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.